ELI language games. Play and learn. This is a series of video tutorials on ELI games. In this video, we're going to present a game focused on vocabulary and structures. Each game is available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. The games have different characteristics and can be divided into 4 categories: dominoes, bingos, card games, board games. A card game. Who is who? A2 level. It's a game of deduction and investigation, ideal for learning vocabulary and structures related to the physical description of people and for developing logical thinking. The box contains 66 cards, divided into 2 identical but differently coloured decks. The cards represent various characters, all with specific physical elements. Some faces are similar, but differ in details. The cards from the red deck are spread out on the table, picture side up. The green card deck is put on the table and is accessible to all players. Who is Who has 2 variants for individual play and for team play. In individual game 1, player picks up a card from the green deck without showing the other players. This is the mysterious character that your playing partners have to discover. In turn, the players ask questions about the physical aspects of the character on the other player's card. Answers must only be yes or no. Let's try. A player picks up the card Cindy. The other player asks questions. Is it a woman? Yes. Does she have short hair? No. If the answer is negative, the first player stops asking questions and it's the next player's turn to investigate. The answers obtained allow the player to narrow down the possibilities and get close enough to the solution to formulate a guess. Is she blonde? No. Does she wear glasses? Yes. It's Cindy. By guessing correctly the identity of the secret character, the player earns that character's card. Play continues until all the green cards are in use. The player guessing the most characters and collecting the most cards is the winner. In the team play variant, teachers can set a time limit to make a guess or set a limit to the number of questions available to each team. The game instructions are very simple and are freely available to download from our website too. Who is Who offers other great ideas for class activities. Are you ready to discover the mysterious character? ELI games. The more you play, the more you learn.